inside you can put the bar underneath. This is made of acrylic from $1,000 to $2,000 included. Now, second option is the zirconia. So, what is the best prosthetic? 2021, I made a kind of decent video regarding full mouth implant prosthetic options. Which one is the best? Which one is good right fit for each patient? About 4 years during the pandemic, I believe a little bit starting about pandemic, and we do a lot of zirconia and I'm talking about full mouth implant cases, 4 implant, 5 implants, 6 implants, 7 implant, whatever. So what is the best prosthetic in your mouth they would like to talk today? And regarding this kind of thing, it's kind of a Christmas gift. It's made with so many zirconia. Like here's a beautiful restorations. And then I finally concluded is what is good for full mouth implant. So here is the option for the patient, depends on the budget. Some patients don't have any money, which is I understand totally. So I have a 2 kids too. So you have spend money with your kid, that's fine. With your life, that's fine. But in your prosthetic, teeth prosthetic, if I'm a patient, okay, what is the good prosthetics instead of the acrylic basis, acrylic removable prosthetic, acrylic hybrid bar inside, regarding 2 implant, 3 implant, 4 implant. So basically, doctor have to put it in more than 4 implant I recommended, which is I can get the proper size of the implant size and then contouring. I can make the better contour. So 4 implant, 5 implant, 6 implant, I prefer 6 implant is better. Whenever I had the zirconia, is I most found out the patient doesn't like it too big, too thick, right? There's a reason, okay? So I don't want to talk about the process from what we fabricate finer, but before we go to after the surgery, they extract teeth or from the denture, and then they place implant, and then they wear the temporary called immediate denture, called same day denture, called temporary denture, called PMM denture, whatever. So that's the beginning start. So whenever they fabricate it from the mouth, and some people it's not comfortable because they used to with the denture, or they used to the existing teeth, maybe 7 teeth, 8 teeth, 10 teeth, 20 teeth left over. So their mouth is not full, okay? So we have concepts a little different. Sometimes we make a little bit more full, and we have to make the smile, big smile. Whenever the patient's smiling, then I want to see the 4 to 6 millimeter teeth shape and contour, okay? So if I want to make the 6 implant full mouth zirconia, I would like to make the thin. Okay, so I kept saying the thin. I want to make the ceramic instead of the denture, meaning from the acrylic. Okay, acrylic get more stain, and the more you can get a more stain and get more smells more is bad, and then you can retrievable right away. So I explained them this is over denture from 4 implants or 2 implant, which is inexpensive. So dentists can put it in a patient side, and the laboratory is inexpensive price, and then they can put it into the patient's mouth and take it out in and out. But the problem is the inside, the cap, they have to change it probably a couple of years later down the road, they have to change it. And then this is made of acrylic, and inexpensive meaning from laboratory fee from $1,000 to $2,000 included. I'm talking about laboratory fee. I'm not talking about dentist fee. Actually, I'm a dental laboratory technician, and I'm not a dentist. So whenever you have a questioning and a consulting treatment plan, please contact your dentist, and then or you can email us. Then we can introduce our clients. They're using us. Then I can give you the right fit. Now, second option is the zirconia. Zirconia is ceramic, okay? So, but is sometimes the clicking sound is whenever they make the top and bottom, and their sound is a little bit more louder. Okay, that one's a little bit disadvantage, but aesthetic is good. But the problem is the implant's place is different placement, or the pontic is bigger, and then or subgingiva, or bite is really heavy, and then implant screw side is too much lingually, and then when you biting, it's possible is a cracking. Okay, but it's good aesthetic. Love it. We made so many zirconia here. Okay, so recommend the monolithic is better, but the most problem is laboratory cannot produce these lifelike restorations because there is no guidance out there. So dentists just simply they say, here's the straight tab, let's say A1, B1, OM2, use it. Okay. We are the laboratory guy. We're just using the monolithic, just 2 color tone, which is patient. Usually they're okay. They're not complaining. But I would say 30% patient, they see, this is not good. The piano tooth, they want to change it. That's why they change it. So zirconia is good, but it's heavier and a little bit more fracture side because it's very rigid. And the third option is inside, you can put the bar underneath. Then top of that, we make the zirconia, just like that, sleeve, and then cement it, make one piece. When patient has implant side too large, too much big gap, and then implant is a problem, that's why I recommend hybrid bar underneath. It's gotta be fitting, and top of them slick together, and then make the one piece. There was another option too. That was a pretty good option, especially long span bridge, just like the doctor's prep, but here's long span, big span, then I recommend hybrid bar underneath. That's a recommend too. Then which is better. But its little issue is still thicker, just like it's not like thinner. But today's I trying to introduce our products. I've been made 7-star cases many years now. So every day we made 5-7 cases every time because we see the problem, which give them option. Okay, we give them option, and the doctor and they show the patient, and then they can decide it whatever they choose. I don't have any problem, but I have to let them know this one will be problem. You know what I'm saying. 1 year later, 2 years later, TikTok bomb, just so we can, you can get a crack. I don't want that. That's why I'm trying to avoid that. So today's live cases here, I would like to talk. There's a case from Georgia, Dr. Ralph Cohen in Georgia areas. So we made the same 5 implants lower and upper 6 implants like this. Okay. So basically, patients see the benefit and the value because 7-star has the frame here underneath, which is chrome cobalt. It's make thin as possible and then light as possible, and then we apply with the porcelain only. And then whenever they make the zirconia, this is zirconia, usually they paint it. Okay, top of that we paint it, looks good, great. But inside we make the very thin chrome cobalt underneath, then we apply outside with a opaque, with a porcelain. It's not ceramic. I know a lot of people does this kind of thing, but they do after that, they make the zirconia top of that, here all composite, which is basically same as denture. Okay, so I don't understand and then why they're doing that, but there's a reason, because hard to fabricate the porcelain and the top of the zirconia slick together, perfect fit, and then because we don't use any composite, we only ceramic, and then we cement it. So another benefit is a bit lighter, and when we put the top of this here, single crown is out, down's perfect fitting. You know what I mean? And then we cement together, and there's a good mobility. Okay, so good mobility, tensile strength is much better when patients grinding. So hardly I get the cracking. I would say 2%. Yes, they're crazy. Still, I see sometimes I see the little crack, but we can repair it easily. So let's say whenever they crack here, they prep it, we make another slip, and then they cement it. That's about it. And also we put the porcelain here, and they make lifelike restoration as much as possible. Okay, that's the benefit. So I explain you guys regarding the prosthetic option. Maybe some dentists don't know what we've been doing, but some patient and dentists not familiar what I'm talking about. But here is the guide. I don't want to make the thick zirconia. I don't want to make the piano tooth. I don't want to make the solid block. I don't want to make crunching sound just like it's very loud sound. I don't want that top and bottom. I don't want to make the rigid. I don't want to make the heavy. Then that's why they can choose it. Kind of selling, our laboratory product, but I would like to give my patient is a good product as much as possible, so they can use it, so they can chew, just like their teeth include their gum. I make the very small pontic as much as possible, and then underneath is good hygiene, trying to make convex. So underneath is very good thin line. Think about it. Long arch. Okay, place 1, 2, 3, 6 implant. You have to make thin arch with zirconia. It's going to be cracked. 80%. It's sometimes not cracked because we have to make thick block. But here's a more problem. What about pronunciation problem? S sound, F sound. I heard that. I mean, I do have accent, right? I don't have any problem whenever I talk. My speaking engagement, my pronunciation is bad, but that's not a problem. But most Native American people is bothered who has a professional job. And so that's why they came here to be checked. The most reason is prosthetic is very thick. Lingual is thick. Their emergent profiles are thick. Cheek bite. And then they make the building block. So that's why I'd like to introduce you regarding from the removable denture, which is very popular. You can go to any store, they can get a removable prosthetic, implant side, you can get it, not a problem. Price, you can negotiate the 5 different dentists, they can talk. What about aesthetic is the denture, removable, that's it. And whenever you go to the doctors, it's huge, commercial DSO or big commercial Clear Choice or S-Band dentures, so they made the zirconia, they paint it because their price is good price. And I'm not saying they're bad, but it looks like their chunk of zirconia is very thick, which is you can see that immediately. You have to find out your best dentist to get your teeth, and just like your teeth. You know what I mean? You can watch my full video all the time. We've made it. My 7-star cases, just like emergent profile, we create a very thin tissue, size of the contact, just looks like natural teeth as close as possible, as much as possible. That's my mission. Because I'm getting old, I'm doing 36 years this kind of business. So we are high-end dental laboratory in Naperville, Illinois, and then our client knows what I'm doing. So sometimes they need help because there's a bad situation. They already placed implant from other country, okay? So they have a problem, like I told you, thick pronunciation problem, bite is not right, aesthetic is problem, and then they made the acrylic, that's the issue. So you can think about it, considering, oh, by the way, a lot of people are asking about lab price, about 7-star. From start, let's say doctor took the impression or the doctor scanning from the starting. So we have to make the verification jig, bite block, wax shrine, 7 stars. One arch, we charge $7,300 pricey. But it's worth it, better than diamond. Or doctor already had the verified model and the mounting prototype, they can save the $2,000. So we charge the $5,500, something like $5,300, whatever, including like our, okay? So that ones we can provide the patient and dentist and highest product. So we talking to the patients upfront It's no secret. Okay, so we're not like the commercial they made the bite block, those kinds of thing. I mean, it's not look like teeth. So I want to make the teeth just as natural as possible. Remember I told you the side note, the color choose. You have to choose it right color direction. Then you can get the best cook. I compare all the time cook. Okay, so I have to give you the best custom cook, either big face like me, small face, medium, square, overall type. I'm talking about face. Okay, then I'm trying to matching the cosmetic as best as possible, better than cheek surgery, eye surgery, wrinkle surgery, Botox, those kind of things. So why are you here? Okay, thanks for watching my channels, and then I'm working just like crazy. But contact us, LSK121 Oral Prosthetics, mail at LSK121.com, and then I see you, and then we can make the better video and the better educational video for you guys. And thanks for watching my channels. Appreciate that.